Is Salesforce expensive? The way I like to think about Salesforce is like an employee. So say I've got 100 employees, my 101st employee is Salesforce. The amount of time and training and love I give it, the more valuable it is or more productive it is as an employee. When I first get my Salesforce, it's kind of like a little child that doesn't really know how to do much. And so over time, I can train it, I can give it tasks to do, I can set up automations and it does more and more. You know, when you first get that robot, it's kind of doing this for you. But then imagine if I can get it to do this 1,000 times and there's 1,000 arms. By nature of technology, it's truly scalable. There's no limit to the amount of automations you can get a system to set up or to run. That's really where Salesforce value is scaling. But if you kind of get it, and yeah, you can pay a lot of money for it and buy all the whiz-bang tools, but if you're not really using it at its potential and continuing to train it and to teach it things, then it's really not worth much. So a lot of people perceive Salesforce as expensive because they aren't getting value from it. If you lean into it and get it to do all of those things and it's actually creating monetary value for you, then you won't think it's expensive at all. My business started with Sales Cloud, and we used that for many years in our sales team because we perceived it was too expensive to use across our business. So we had another system doing timesheets, another doing financials, another doing project management. We have all of these systems in our business because they feel like they're the best. Over the years, and as we became a better Salesforce partner and started building out our own Salesforce stack, we actually started to build a single customer view in our Salesforce. From the year that we started doing that, our revenue just went up like that. So yes, Salesforce can be expensive and it can seem expensive, but it's kind of more about what you do with it than the cost of it that is the real answer.